Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make crab curry. To begin, you'll need about 1.5 kilograms of fresh, cleaned crabs. These are the star of our dish. Next, gather your aromatics, fresh ginger, garlic, and 2 large onions. We'll also use 1.5 cups of creamy coconut milk, which forms the luscious base. Finally, prepare your essential spices, curry powder, chili powder, and a touch of turmeric for vibrant color and flavor. Now, let's build our incredible flavor base. First, grind fresh coconut with a tablespoon of raw rice and whole spices like cumin and fennel seeds into a smooth paste. In a large pot, sauté your chopped onions, ginger, and garlic until they are beautifully softened and fragrant. Then, add 2 medium tomatoes, cooking them down until they form a rich, pulpy base. Stir in your curry powder, chili powder, and a pinch of turmeric. With our aromatics ready, it's time to create the perfect gravy. Add the freshly ground spice paste to your sautéed mixture, stirring well to combine. Next, pour in 1.5 cups of rich coconut milk, along with about 1 cup of water, to achieve the desired consistency. Stir in 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste and 2 teaspoons of sugar for a delightful balance of sweet and sour. Bring this flavorful gravy to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. The final step brings it all together. Gently place your cleaned, cracked crab pieces into the simmering curry, ensuring they are submerged. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the crab shells turn a vibrant pink and the meat is cooked through. Remember to stir occasionally so every piece is coated in that delicious, rich gravy. Finally, garnish generously with fresh coriander leaves and serve your amazing crab curry hot with steamed rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.